Hello everyone. So these PowerPoint presentations is generated using AI. I didn't add any text, anything. I just only write a topic and it will create automatically this type of presentation. You can see a theme here, a way of writing everything in a table in a column format, and there is another one like this. AI is generated all these presentations automatically by just few clicks. Now you can do it very easily. Just type your topic name. App name is gamma.ai. Go to this website, sign up with your email ID or Google account. Click on your workspace, create a workspace, and you will get 200 free credits to create presentation. In 200 credits, you can easily create up to 10, 8 presentations on because one presentation takes 40 credits. Here you can see that I created these type of presentations and download it easily. Now click to start creating presentation. Click on plus create new. Click on generate. Here you will see presentation, document, and web page. All three creates a presentation because we only got the option of export into PDF as well as export into presentation. So click on presentation. Now I have 30 credits. Now I need to add a topic here. So uh, analysis. Okay, I'm gonna click on send. Then it will automatically type it in a different points. Now you can edit or change these points. Introduction to RapidMiner software, importing and preparation data for analysis. You can add like this. Okay, so click on continue. Here you need to select theme. So I will take uh, this theme. Click on continue. All these things are free. So now you can see it is automatically generating the slides and images. Also powerful platform. Introduction to RapidMiner. You can see it creates a amazing beautiful slide here, and you can see it also divides it into a columns: data integration, data cleansing, data preparation. Benefits of using RapidMiner software: it automatically creates everything: exploratory data analysis, data visualization, data clustering, data decision making, creating machine learning models. Okay, evaluating models. The way of writing it is very amazing, like this one, two, 3 points in a way: creating machine learning. Now conclusion and future directions. So it creates a presentation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of 9 slides. If I want to add something between them, then I click on add card with AI. Now add your topic like rapid miner. Okay. Now if I it takes 10 credits and it will create another slide between there. PC requirement for using RapidMiner. In order to RapidMiner, you can use, okay, 2 GB of memory and Mac OS or Windows, 4 GB of RAM and modern processors. So through this, now click here to cut. Now to download this, click on three dots on the top, click on export, export to PDF and export to PowerPoint. Click on export to PowerPoint. It will start exporting. It takes time, and then I will show you like this. You will get the presentation like this. Now here you will see your name will be on the bottom side. Just delete it, click on edit and then delete it like this. There is a made with gamma. Just click on delete it and your presentation is ready to present. This. You can also add some more things by using go to the animation, and if you want to add animation or more effect, you can easily do it. So I hope you like this video. It is really helpful. Share it with your friends and students and with your teachers so that they can easily create presentations. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.